Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Darren and you know where are we at? I can tell you we are not in Singapore. We are at Thailand Bangkok. Today we are playing at Thai Country Club. If you've heard of this name, it's a golf course where Tiger Woods has won over here in the Honda Classic. So I hope you guys enjoy and follow my adventures in Bangkok. Yeah! All the courses in Thailand are measured in yards, so don't worry, I've already converted them to meters, something that's familiar to us. My first impression of this golf course is that the fairway is wide. Everyone say hi to Kun Nong, my caddy for today. Hello, good morning. I think the greens are going to be running quite fast. The first hole is pretty friendly as I already have a wedge into the hole. Smash the like button for us to convert this birdie. Hole number 2 is 399 yards, which is about 365 meters. And there's this fairway bunker right in the middle of the fairway. I thought I could carry the bunker, but actually the bunker is really large. And as this is the first time I'm playing this course, I'm just trying to go for everything. And now I'm left with about 95 meters to a back pin position. The caddy told me not to go long, but I was kind of confident that I would put the ball on the green. Wow, jalat. However, the ball jumped towards the back. Cannot be so long. Long die. So now I'm going for my 4th shot. Hopefully, I'm able to save bogey. Now have a look at this putt. I stroked it gently and the ball rolled really nicely. Hole 3 is par 3 at 171 meters. It's a front right pin. I don't intend to go for it. As you can see, there's lots of space and bailout area on the left side. And from here, I have a long putt for birdie. I'm still really unsure of the speed, but I'm really enjoying it. The par 5s here are mostly reachable for myself. So I think the scoring holes on this course are actually the par 5s and some par 4s which are short. From here, I have about 175 meters to carry onto the green. The pin is on the right side and there is a bailout area as well. So that was where I was aiming. If I were to land the ball on the green, it would actually kick all the way to the back. From this bailout area, I have an easy access and I gave myself a reasonable putt for birdie. Birdie Liao. Remember, when you're traveling to play golf, always bring good friends. Hole 5 is a par 4 at 388 meters. This is quite a long one. Fortunately, we had some wind behind us and my ball was in a above feet lie. The pin was on the right side, which was quite close to the bunker. And I always play away from the pin if the pins are tucked really close to hazards. For example, bunkers or water. And I would always rely on my shot game to get up and down. This par 3 is a long one. We were kind of surprised because it was 211 meters and there was headwind as well, and we needed about 220 to carry. If you and your friends do come to Bangkok, make sure that you play on this Thai Country Club golf course. It's also a championship golf course where tournaments are held. I think the LAT Tour, the Aramco Team Series, will also be held here in May. Hole 7 is a par 5 at 469. The wind was blowing right to left, slightly behind. I had the ball above my feet, and as you can see, the pin is over the bunker on the left side. So I was just aiming for the right side of the green. I got lucky, the ball landed and it kicked towards the front part of the green. So the way this green is designed is that there are lots of bailout areas, as you can see at the back and on the right side. So you don't really have to attack pins. Just make sure that you hit it away from the pins and, you know, go for long putts and save your pars with your shot game. Hole 8 is a par 4. The caddy told me water left. So my first impression is to send the ball right. I wasn't really sure if I could carry the bunker on the right, so I hit it way right. It took a big bounce on the cut path, and I found myself a gap wedge into this hole. Hole 9 is a long par 4. Instead of my usual smooth swing, I went to give it a whack and I overdrew it and found myself in a very awkward situation. Initially, I thought a 6-iron would be enough, but I got greedy and went with a 5-iron and the ball clipped the tree. And now I'm left with a 40-meter chip or pitch to the hole. The greens here are really receptive. They spin really well. So if you want to have backspin, the greens here will actually produce those. A bogey on this hole, it's fine. Even par for the front 9. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.